Welcome back, everybody. We are getting ready to combine. We're gonna be doing high moisture corn. We got the head on the 1660, 25/8 behind me. We're gonna be getting that put on the bean head today. We'll probably be doing both. Right now we're heading out to silo room, and they're working on the silo motor for high moisture corn right now, and we got to get that going up. And this is it's a hard gearbox, so the drill's struggling. Get tired quick, so that's what we're doing.
I'll get all there and kick the hole. Where do you kick the hole in for? Okay, never up. What? I told him it's something different that we had to look at.
Why is it smoking?
Ah.
Keep going, fill that fucker up.
It's inside that gearbox.
Like I said at the beginning.
It started smoking.
It's smoking?
Yeah.
Yeah, put her fill up the oil.
Set it down on the corn, we're gonna have to open that button up.
Alright, the cable just slipped over the side. Hey, quit doing that! Dumping dust down there.
Alright, I'll go up there. Somebody hang that rope though, don't stand.
Guys, honestly, I tried to get these fuckers off there.
Let her rip.
That's what he said. Alright, so we've been on a hiatus this last one. You got a little bit of the silo motor getting up. Now we're gonna be hooking the bean head up. We got the corn head on the 1660. You got that all ready to roll. And now we are gonna get the 25-foot bean head put on the 25/88. This is our plan right now. So this going. Up. Nothing's getting pinched, right? What? Nothing's getting pinched. Hoses, cords, everything's good. There you have it. Got her on. So we gotta get her snapped in the bottom. We get the snouts on. And should be good to go. That is our plan right now. So we're gonna get this head all going. Get it all set up. Robbie's out combining corn right now. High moisture corn. Moisture is right at about 26%. That's about where we want it in the to put in the silo when we're rolling it. So yeah, so I'm excited for this head. It's not huge by any means compared to anybody else, but 25 foot, a little bit bigger than what we're used to. The other ones we've been running past every year. And then what we had last year on this one, it's a 20 foot heads. So this one has the ability to side shift, which I can plug in, and that's gonna run with everything as I go through the fields. It'll side to side along with the header height adjustment. So excited to use it. Should work pretty good for us. So now we'll get her hooked up. What every farmer should do when you're working underneath these heads is make sure these safety blocks are down, just in case something fails. This will kill you, so that's what we don't want to happen to anybody. So there are a couple farmers in the area in the past that it's happened to, and it's kind of, I don't want to be a statistic on that end. All right, just as I suspected. So we'll get this up. So they're a little loose, depending on who had it before, what they had it on. Each combine's a little different. So I'll have to get a 15/16 on the impact, and we'll run these in. We got them on both sides. So but I'll get them up and set and pinned in, and I can just hold them up and get them in place. So next, a couple things we got to look at. So we got all the plastic slides across the bottom we got to look at. We got one right here that's broke off. We got it in there, we just got to re-rivet it in place, it looks like. So snap these off, take that, put it back on. They're not too bad. We're gonna keep them for now. We got a couple that they're almost broke off through too, but I don't know how that one might have happened on the trailer. But yeah, other than that, doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape. So this head is needs a little bit of work. That plastic slide I was showing you guys on the front, it's the one that came off is actually broke, so we can't just re-rivet it on. I mean, I could try, but it's just not gonna last. So we gotta run over to implement store, get some parts, but I'm gonna work on some sickle sections and get some guards put in and finish greasing it. My plan right now. So we'll get there, finish, and call her good. So yes, I do have a battery powered grease gun. Sometimes it's just easier using a manual one. It is dirtier. Some areas are just trying to hold on to that big grease gun. So battery powered one, and then trying to operate other stuff. It's just, sometimes you just gotta go old school. I'm trying to get into corners you can't see. calibrate moisture. They're saying we're at 9.2% moisture, and we're not running too bad. Around the 40s to 50s on yield, which is pretty good. So can't complain there. Everything's looking good. 25-foot head we picked up used. It's working great. Got the automatic header height, side adjust. I can watch it working. Everything's working, man. It's quick. It's working fast, just like I wanted to. So going pretty smooth. I can't complain. So yeah, we're just running. Everything's starting to come out clean. I wasn't recording because I'm doing a lot of stuff trying to get everything, get the combine set for what we're running and everything like that. Yeah, everything's looking clean now. I don't have any bead. I'll check when I get to the other end here. I don't look. Everything's coming out pretty good, so I shouldn't have anything coming out the back end. So we'll keep an eye on everything and see how it runs. But so far, so good. So yeah, that's that. So I'll be out here for a while. Not too long tonight. It's the first day. Just get started. Probably get a couple wagons full. We got to get a auger up. First few are going to stay here at home, and then everything goes to town after that. So we just got our small bin we put soybeans in, and send everything else to town until we put up more holding, more bins. What we're going to end up doing. So I think. See where we get with that. So yeah, ride around a bit. Okay, so we're to the cart. We had some problems, not with this combine. 1660 blew a main hydraulic hose. I don't know exactly where. I'm assuming it's up under the cab next to the main hydro pump. I'm guessing. I've heard the way Robbie looks covered in oil. I'm sure it's bad. We can't get a hose today. The equipment shop doesn't open till opens tomorrow morning. I think around 10. I'm not sure exactly what time. They are open tomorrow on a Sunday, which is going to be great for us. So we will get that hose tomorrow and get that put back on. So yeah, we got a red wagon here. There's another one out in the field full of corn. So once I get this full, I'm gonna see if there's any corn left in that one. Cody said he wasn't sure if he emptied it all the way out, because we usually don't up there when we're putting high moisture corn in, because it's wet. It doesn't want to flow out of the wagon, so we go till it gets slow, and then we just shut the gate and head out to go get more. So that's what we usually do. We'll have to check that out here in a little bit. So I was full. Thought I might be able to make 2 rounds. I can only make a round and a half and then I'm full. Exactly a round and a half. I can't get any more in. So I gotta keep making 1 round at a time. You know, I got everything at one end of the field. I don't have a grain cart driver. Bram left. He had football stuff going on tonight. So yeah, I'm on my own. And so yeah, that's the night. Well, I think that'll do it for combining beans for the day. Cutting some beans. Cart's full. I got a little bit left in here. I just was about to grab the camera earlier and get going. and I hit a big patch of water hemp, and I got scared because I had a big thunk and then nothing else. But I have a feeling we have a rock in the rock trap, or rock trap. I don't know though. It was loud and it scared me. I could be wrong, but I don't know. It was a big thunk. I gotta go around the other side. Oh. But this header's doing pretty good. Pretty dang good. I got one little issue. It keeps wanting to pull up on one side. So I gotta look into that tomorrow. Might be something I got set wrong. I'm not saying I know exactly what I'm doing, but I got an idea. Okay, so I don't know what I heard. Something made a thunk, but it didn't go through the combine, so that's all I know. So, could have been anything, I guess. I don't know. It was scary. So, but I gotta look at that feeder house too. That feeder house chain seems like it's rattling pretty good. Might need to be tightened up. Well, that's maybe something we'll look at tomorrow. But right now, we're done combining beans for the day. So I'm gonna walk up to the yard, see what's happening. I know we got one wagon out in the field that's got to get unloaded into that silo up there with the roll mill. So there was a wagon sitting here, that's gone. But hey, look at this. We got an audience. They're all curious little cows. Follow me through the ditch. Watch this. All of them will. Oh, got a stampede.